Yeah, and that's exactly what's going on. Really, we're working under a contract. We're working under a communication protocol with this object and allowing it to perform any computation it sees fit. Which the computation for setting the name is irrelevant to the caller, because we want to encapsulate that functionality inside of the actual method that's invoked.
And
So,
Ramon just said, why in OOP is that so important? Well, just imagine if rather than that being a name, that was, say, your salary. You wouldn't want other people being able to access how much you get paid. But you could, if somebody said to you, all right, now you're getting paid this much, and then you could agree to it and set it like that. But equally, I mean, this is the other thing with properties, is you can have a little bit of code in there just to check whether you're actually doing something you're allowed to do.
right. Yeah, and the OOP, remember how I defined OOP in the last week? I defined OOP as basically building code using objects. And what's an object? An object is an entity in the system that has complex logic and data associated with it as behavior and has state. And OOP is all about the relationship between these objects, how these different objects interact with each other. And one of the fundamental things about OOP is that the objects are responsible for their data. They are responsible for maintaining the integrity of their data. This is vital. This increases the reusability of a particular class. It actually speaks a language to other developers indicating how a particular object should be used and what operations you can perform on that object. It's the encapsulation is, like I said, one of the fundamental things about object-oriented programming.